Do you want to immerse yourself in the soothing sounds of birdsong and the gentle rustle of leaves and tranquility of nature? I'm gonna tell you about Sattva Songbird, the apartment and Rovilla project, which located in Whitefield, Budigere, just 500 meters from the old Madras Road. This exclusive residential project offers a unique blend of luxury living and harmonious coexistence with nature. Sattva Songbird spread across 16 acres of land parcel, in that phase 1 coming up with 12 acres, 1300 apartment plus 58 row villas, and phase 2 coming up with 4 acres, 360 units. We are giving 70% of open space and 1 lakh square feet of clubhouse with 70 plus amenities. Apartment variants are 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK. The dimension starts from 753 square feet and 1813 square feet. The price starts from 1.1 CR to 2.54 CR. Coming to row villa, the dimension starts from 3,336 square feet to 3,543 square feet. The price starts from 5.35 CR and 5.67 CR. For more information, visit our website or else contact us below given number. Thank you.